In this video, I'm going to take you through a Bowlus.
Hi, I'm Red.
And I'm TJ, and we're loving life hitched up.
Join us and come experience all that RV life has to offer.
In this video here is the interior of a Bowlus camper. I've never seen one ever in my entire life, and this is my first chance to see one, so we're going to quick check this out together. So you have a front kitchen area with a three-way microwave. You have pull-outs. You have a nice freezer draw space here. Isotherm pull out. This is nice. 2-burner induction, which is super. You can see all this is aluminum, and then you get into the interior. The woodwork in this is phenomenal. You definitely feel like you are in a boat kind of feel, or a luxury cabin cruiser, and the seating in here is fantastic. I love the comfort. This is a nice comfortable seating position on this couch area, which also has a dinette on the opposite side. And this is the Bowlus Frontier. Nice dinette. Cushions are very comfortable. And as you work your way to the mid section, this is where you have your bath area here. So just a quick peek of these upright storage areas. Both sides. Hanging clothes. Great amount of space. Little area to wash here. Very nice. With a little built-in medicine cabinet. Plenty big. Put a little stuff. You have your vanity lights, and here is how this works for the bathroom. You close that door, you have your toilet in here, and then you close this door, and they're held together with magnets, and this opens up what would be your bathroom area. So this here is your shower area. You have your wand, a little rack there. You have an exit on the side. And this gives you this little area here, becomes contained into be your bathroom area. Then you get up front here, and if that does not make you think of a boat, you've probably never been in a boat. This is beautiful. This space to sleep reminds me of when I was in the Sea Scouts. I used to sleep below deck. You have sliding windows, and the can't really see them, but the screens are like a copper color, which works great with the colors in this thing. This is fantastic. And this thing is under 5,000 pounds. Under 5,000 pounds to tow this. And this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. You have all these vents on the top. Comes with lithium. Comes with solar panels, TV. It's absolutely beautiful. This is impressive. Well, I hope you liked the quick peek of the Bowlus. Now I'm going to take you on a look at the exterior of this Bowlus. The front door is not flat. It is actually curved. So you have a different aspect of aerodynamics. As you can imagine, this has a very low drag coefficient based on its overall shape and appearance. It does not have traditional stone guards, but they use a very heavy gauge of aluminum on there. They also use all buck rivets, no Olympic rivets on here. As you work your way around, you can see these beautiful slide windows. There's portal windows on there, and this has over 400 watts of solar on flexible panels on the roof. It is equipped with the mover setup right here. So this is so you can actually move this off of the hitch. It has a jockey wheel in the front, and these electric motors, you can actually turn it around and move it into another area. Now, 800 pounds the weight cargo should never exceed over 800 pounds in here. But again, this is a lightweight trailer under 5,000 pounds. So as you can see, this is beautifully shiny. It has a Keter rail that runs here, so there are options for awnings and mounts that go on that. This is a escape hatch, if you're wondering what this is. So inside the shower, 2 emergency handles, so you can pop that, and that's your access out, because none of the windows are large enough to crawl out, so you need a access. It is a 30 amp, but can run off of a regular house plug, including the air conditioners on this, and the air conditioning will run off the batteries. So it is 30 amp, and this is hooked up to a outside ZAMP solar. As you can see, panel right behind you, and there's additional. So this is super cool when you come back here. I love this is your rear bumper. You have your city water connection right here. You have your drains back there, and this is a hydronic system, so potable water only. So this is where you would put your fill for your freshwater tank. You have a rear camera, which is nice. It's mounted low, so you can actually see the traffic behind you instead of just your campsite. So I still would use a spotter. I would not back this in without a spotter. Great angles on this. Just this overall shape. If this does not remind you of an upside down boat, I don't know what would. So, again, this uses the Aldi hydronic heating system, so it's not a forced hot air heat, so it's more of a radiant circulated glycol that circulates through the camper, giving you a warm feel rather than a blast of hot air confined in that space. And all along the interior, as I showed, there are vents all along the upside, and it gives you a great opportunity for that great cross ventilation. Exterior table mounts on here, so if you want to hang out outside and eat outside, so everybody who walks by in the campground is going to want to see your trailer. You might as well just stay outside, so you can show them all the cool stuff. Now, what are the tanks sizes for a fresh?
30 gallon fresh plus 20 portable, so 50 total, and then 30 gray. And then the cassette is 4.5 gallons.
It's the traditional cassette. Okay. Yep. So uses a traditional 4.5 gallon cassette toilet. It has basically 30 gallons of fresh water and then 20 potable. And the gray is, I forgot what you said, gray? 30. Gray tank, also 30 gallons on that. So quite a bit of water. So if you want to get off grid a little bit, you have that great opportunity. And like I said, this does come with the 400 watts of solar and lithium batteries. So pretty impressive. I can say I'm glad I've actually gotten to see one of these, not only see the outside, but see the inside, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We love bringing this content to you. This is something you don't get to see every day. And remember, when you're out there loving life, do it hitched up.